Good afternoon. Today, we're going to install this half cage and these seats
in 7 hours.
Yo, what up? So today we are gonna say what's up to Ken.
What's good?
We're about to install some stuff on the 240. So let's see here. All right, so we've got the interior kind of apart. We've got to clean up some stuff in here so the cage will fit in this area right here.
Yeah,
we've got to take sound deadening and the wires out of the way, and then we're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna put the cage in the car, assemble it, and then find out where we need to drill the holes. That way it lines up, and then Kedron can really crash going 50 miles an hour because that's as fast as the 240 goes.
I'm gonna flip it.
So we should be getting it ready today.
Cool, cages and we're done.
Where do we zip tie it to, you?
Just like that. You don't zip tie it, you just leave it.
Alright, go up. Yep. Up. Alright. Down. I like it.
Alright, now we do need to get the legs.
Like you see, it's like, it's too tight.
Yeah, I see.
So I feel like if we remove that little
Well,
bit,
we got, like what Neil said is right. We got to put these legs on, see where it fits on the back.
to see where it's gonna be
Yeah,
here.
I said we bolt it up.
You heard what he said, right? He said Neil was right, because Neil's always right, boy.
Right every once in a while.
Psych!
Bitch was really using a nylon screw. Nylon nuts.
Like it shouldn't be this tight. You know what I mean?
That's what she said. What are y'all actually doing right now?
We're trying to test fit, see where it's gonna be to know where to dry
So,
ice.
you know, is this bar supposed to be ahead of this? Or
No,
behind
it should be like when you put it flat out there, it should be slightly tilted back. So it needs
where's
to be
this gonna
like
fit?
I think it's gonna be right along here. So, Ken, we're having clearance issues. We hope removing some of the sound deadening is gonna give us that little extra oomph. I heard dry ice is expensive, pain in the ass. Tip I learned on the internet. We're gonna put it to the test right now.
What is it?
Spray this upside down.
Wait, what is it? What is it?
That-
Compressor.
The compressed air, that electronic duster stuff. Spray it upside down, freezes it, then we can chip it.
Alright,
Alright, let's get to
move your big head, let's see what
do
happens.
that. I don't know if you shake it or not. You and Zoo did it at one time when you did your brakes, you remember?
I've done it several times since then.
So
For different shit.
Close your eyes and your nostrils. There we go. Alright, here we
Icy.
go. Is it working?
I'd say it works.
Do you need a bigger chisel?
For the purpose of the video, it works.
Bro, that ain't working. You're supposed to be able to like in the video like this.
It's that.
Yeah. Like that and get the whole thing up.
Oh shit.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Goddamn.
Not scraping it.
I was getting the
See what happens when you're a YouTube mechanic?
Bro, where's the can again? Oh yeah, that does work.
Oh, nice. YouTube hack for the win.
So this is where we're at. Cage is in, as far as the test fit goes. So where we left off last was the dry ice, or the makeshift dry ice. You know. So we took up the sound mat. So all of that's up. Bad boy was like 4 or 5 millimeters thick. So that plate is sitting there pretty much on the bare metal now. So it looks pretty good. It gave us more headroom up top, but not much. It's pretty tight. We had to pull the light out, and then we were able to bolt up the backs. So the back is bolted up. Looks pretty good right here. And then the plate itself is kind of sitting in place. It's curved, but once we drill the holes and get it bolted down with the plate, it'll kind of, you know, sit flush. So next step is to get the plates, mark the holes, drill, Hopefully we don't have to re-drill like multiple times. Make sure the plates are in the right spot. But yeah, that's next.
Is it working?
Yeah. What I want to do now is I want bolts. So
I have them. You already got
start. I can start. Yeah, I can start holding them.
You just drilled 4 holes.
I just drilled 1.
Oh.
But what I'm saying is, I want to drill 1.
Yeah, I did hold it. Okay.
Yeah. I can see it perfect. It looks like it's screwed.
What are you hitting, Kedron?
I'm hitting a wall trying to go from the...
Yeah, that's it.
How's that look?
That's perfect.
That's definitely not the right way to do it.
You have to go from the top?
Yes.
Why do you have to go from the top?
On this one, you have to go from the bottom so your tire doesn't hit it. So this, to me, is either way.
Nah, it definitely has to go in through the top.
See how tight this thing is?
Yeah, until you roll it, and then it's not there anymore.
That makes sense.
Yeah. All right. Half cage is in. It's only been 3.5 minutes. Makeshift is killing it today. 2 always talk shit that we take forever. But today's been what, 7 minutes maybe? Cage is in, bolted in. We went with Kirk Racing instead of Auto Power because they're the mom and pop, wanted to support them. I heard Auto Power had fitment issues. This is kind of close on fitment, hella tight up here. Yeah, it works. Sunroof, no more. But we got it bolted, sketchily twisted or bent the shell a little, but tight is tight, right?
Yeah, tight is tight.
Next up, we got to take these back out, add some silicone, cut the trim to make it fit. You know, want that clean OE Plus look. I want to be fast and look good.
I'm gonna try and convince this guy to put the rear seats back in.
No, rear seats are not going back in. You just keep wanting me to add weight so you have a better chance.
Nah, bro, you're talking about foam that weighs. You know
Hey,
what? We'll put all your foam in my car, and then we'll see who runs a
All
dark
right,
tire.
deal. It's about 80 pounds of foam if you're okay with that. And we want it at the top, not at the bottom.
If I set a faster time at AMP, you gotta put your interior back in.
Ooh, I might take you up on that deal. I love a good bet. Ooh, make it spicy.
Yeah. So we're getting close. This is good.
And then seats next.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Part 2.
Update number... I don't know. I lost track. It's been over a week since we were working on the car. But current progress, bolt-in half cage is in. Last week when the rest of the makeshift guys were here, it was surprisingly kind of easy to get it in.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I must have jinxed it because I was wrong. Last night I fought with it for hours just to get those 2 stupid holes cut. So it looks like I don't even have a cage in the car. Ended up having to remove the main hoop and everything just to get it back in. Was it worth it? I don't know. Hopefully I don't ever gut the car one day, wasting my time. But cage is in, ready to go. Hopefully this thing is stiffer and handles even better. Next up, get the 2 new seats and G-Force 3-point camlock harnesses in. Seats, check. Now, harness. It's your boy, back at it again with update number, I don't even know. Who cares? It's done. Half cage is in, seats are in, harness is in, everything's bolted and rat to go. Can't wait to take it and see if the difference is noticeable or not. We'll see. The only bad is your boy goofed big time. He definitely blew the turbo, acting a fool on these streets. For those of you that called it, you know who you are. Yes, a T25 is too small for a built KA, whatever. I upgraded. I'm on to bigger and better. That's the old me, that's the past. Stay tuned, and you're gonna see.